Hi, Crafty fam. How are you doing? So today I am gonna show you how I set up my camera setup when I film videos. Right now I'm filming this on my phone, and that's why. So I'm going to show you how I set up my filming setup, and I hope you go along with me. This is like a behind the scenes. The video I'm filming today, it's on out. It's my favorite top 10 Netflix series. So click on the icon right here or right here to watch that video. And so what I do is I mostly come in my closet like so, and I grab this chair. Wow. I grab this chair and normally put it in front of where I'm filming. So like today, for example, I am filming right in front of here. And then normally I grab, just to make it eye level with me, so I grab like boxes and briefcase stuff. So I grab this briefcase that roughly seems me paint on the Instagram to show what I paint. This is how it turned out. So if you want to see that video, put on the iPhone. So I grab that, and then normally I come here into my little wall setup here. And I grab the two pins like so. Like so. Yeah, here on my knee. And so then hold on, let me sign up properly here. So I grab my ring light, and then I grab my little laptop. I film on my laptop because I just been using what I have. I don't have like a big fancy camera and stuff like that. So I grab my ring light and my laptop. So what I do, grab my laptop. This is basically my tripod. I use the briefcase and these two boxes. And I set this up right here. And then I turn it on like so. And hold on. And I log into it. And then I make sure that everything is closed down so it doesn't run. And if I forgot to delete the previous video that I posted, I do that. Then I line this. I have a special file called I'm Ready for YouTube. So for all the completed videos I do, I put in this file on my photos, in my photo file. Then what I do, I go on Zoom. Actually, I film on Zoom when I'm not filming on my phone like I am now. So I just open up Zoom like this. I hit new meeting. Like so. Or I was lighting up my old camera just so we are seeing two of me. And then, so, as you can see yourself, yeah, I'm filming on my phone here. And then I normally make sure that all the sound system is right. And mostly I hit that speaker and hit that. And I just do, hi, Crafty fam. Hi, Crafty fam. Okay, I noticed a little echo there. Okay. Now, I hit yes. And then I hit end test, and normally I just go here and just normally rename myself. Because I get different names each time and not just Lot Woman. So, Lot Woman is not my actual real name. That's my internet name. So I change the name of it, and then what I do, put this down, close it out, and now as you can see, I have my Zoom up. I'm doing my favorite Netflix shows. So that's why. So then I take my ring light and I actually put it, I untangle the wires like so, and normally put it behind here actually. And normally, if you're wondering why there's tape on there, I love it. So I need it a better. Then I make sure no cord and all USB system, like so, like all USB, and I just run it in like so, and then I turn on my ring light. See how better that looks? You actually seeing everything here. Then what I normally do, I just hit
recording in progress.
Yeah, I hit record. Now I'm recording two things right here. And then I normally grab my phone. Then I normally Zoom, and then I if it a sit down video like this, I just normally sit in my chair and I film. So hi Crafty fam, and just film like so. And so I just film like so here. So this is what I see. So I see my ring light and my laptop, and this is how I make it my tripod. Like so. Hi. So, yep, and then mostly I just make sure I gather all the supplies I need, like today's video. I just showed for the video. So if you enjoy these behind the scenes videos, please give it a big thumbs up and comment below if you want more of these type of like behind the scenes videos of my life or how I do YouTube. Let me know. And yeah, comment below if you want more of this stuff and subscribe. I'm super close to 50 subscribers, like I'm super close. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want more notifications. So it helps YouTube get my videos out to you guys to subscribe me. So hit that notification bell, and have a great day, Crafty fam. Bye.